Here is how we can attach a file in Gmail on your Android phone. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. Okay, so you open up the Gmail app as usual, right? You can get inside and tap on the create new mail to compose button. And you can see we obviously have the regular interface of typing in the subject, message, recipient, and so on. But at the top, next to the send button, we have a little paperclip icon. And when you click on that, it allows you to attach photo from the gallery, the camera to capture the photos right away, and also you can also click on the files icon, which basically opens up the file browser of your choice. So it might include the Google Drive as well as other things in here. So you can see plenty of ways to go through it, but you can see that you can manage your local storage, go there and basically browse whatever you have in here. So this is how you can basically go through it. You can as well filter it by different file types. So if you only want to show documents, you can make it filter it like this. And essentially that is the thing that you can do. So you can find your file in here. It might be a document, a PDF or Word or whatever. You can tap on it and it's going to be attached to the email. The important part is the size, which is also going to be written below, because obviously we have a limit on sending attachments over email. So this is something that you have to pay attention to, but yeah, it's going to be really simple once you know how it works. So I hope it makes sense. I'll just quickly try to explain it and go straight to the topic. So if you like this type of tutorials, just hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming ones in the future. For now, that's it, and I'll see you then.